So we're partnering with the All Dogs Come From Heaven organization, and what we've learned from them is that there's a tremendous need for food, cleaning supplies, paper products, and the beautiful thing about what we're doing is that all of the things that we're going to collect is going to benefit the people and their pets that were hit hardest by those floods. So our shop is going to become a destination for donations for all of those things. A lot of our family of customers get their food from us, and so to make it convenient for them, if they choose to do our food, they can. Chris and I are going to give $1 for every pound of food that's bought to donate. And if our family of customers or if our greater Hamilton community wants to do that, they can go out to our website at PetOnesHamilton.com and they'll see the Eastern Kentucky donation button where they can place their order there. But again, we'll take any brand of food for cat and dog unopened, all cleaning supplies unused, and then we'll also take collars, harnesses, leads, anything that maybe our customers and our community's pups have outgrown. We'll take all of it here at our shop. What I have learned about Hamilton and the greater Hamilton community is that they have such giving hearts. Chris and I originally are from Kentucky, and when we first moved here, we learned that there was a very special relationship between Hamilton and Kentucky. But since these floods have happened, those roots really run deep. And a lot of our customers have shared with us stories that their relatives, their loved ones, family members, a lot of them have been impacted down there. So I think it's just a beautiful way to serve as a conduit through which the goodness and love from Hamilton can flow down to those people who need the help.